Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. I'm working on a banner swap, which is hosted by Sele and Norma. And Sele is Crafty Sele 06 on YouTube. And Norma is Miss Yankee Creations on Instagram. And you just have to make one banner, set a banner, and get one back. So if you're on YouTube, you send your entry to Sele, and if you're only on Instagram, then you'll send your entry to Norma. And so I'm sending mine to Sele. I wanted to share what I created on Sunday Live with them Crafty girls. So these are my pieces for my banner. I have not completed my banner yet, but I created some tickets. And this is what it looks like for my base. I used my Cricut because I did not have a banner. The size requirement, which is, let's see, I think it's about 5 inches tall. There you go. The banner should be at least 5 inches tall, and you should have at least 4 sections for your banner. And each section should at least, or should minimum have 7 layers. So I hope I qualify, but this is what I came up with. And I'm using Round Trip by Maggie Holmes. This swap is a pastel swap, so pretty pastel colors. You could use Maggie Holmes, or you could use Be Valiant, or you could use anything that's pastel. So I have never used my Round Trip collection. So this I thought would be perfect because it will be, you know, perfect pastel colors. At least I think so. In my eyes, this is pastel. So this is what I made. This one is, well, let's go with the first one I made on our live. It was this one. I layered on some pieces. So I cut my base, different layering pieces with my Cricut, and I created the layering pieces using the Round Trip. And then I had a pack of the ephemeras. So these are the 2 ephemera packs that I used from my Round Trip. I used the tickets from here and a bunch of the transportation from this one. And so this one I used my flowers. I printed out a hot air balloon from my stash. So let me show you the little ephemera pieces I printed with the Cricuts, print and cut. I put a cruise ship, a train, a hot air balloon, and an airplane with the little dots. Okay, so those were the pieces I had with my print and cut from Cricut. And here I have a hot air balloon in the background. I have some layered vellum flowers here, some die cut pieces from the Round Trip ephemeras. And then I added a doily here on top of my shaker. And then I have this lovely ephemera, and the bust is also from the ephemera piece, the ephemera kit. So let's count. 1, the base, then you have 1, 2, 3. The base, then the shaker, that's 1, then these 2, 3, 4 is the flowers, and then the hot air balloon is 5. My ticket and the vellum is 7, 6, 7. So I think this one qualifies. And then this one we have the train. Now, if you notice, I did 2 pink and 2 blue just for to break it up a little bit. So this is a pink ticket, like the first one. I used the train, and I added the blue ephemera, the train here. These are the pieces from the ephemera kit. Okay. I added a doily in the background, from my stash, and then the flowers are from my stash. They had a little Polaroid frame here in the ephemera kit. Added that, and my ticket on top. There's a shaker here underneath. everything. And the other thing I wanted to show, this is my stash of flowers that have been gifted to me over the years or that I have made. So they're handmade flowers, and usually I can find a color that will suit the palette that I'm creating with. The other thing I wanted to share, because some of my shakers are gifts. So this is a shaker from Elizabeth, who's Bitty Bum Bum Elizabeth here on YouTube and Instagram. And she made me extras minus the birthday pieces and the lace. So I used 2 of the shakers here. 1, 2, oh, actually 3. I used 3 of the shakers that she created like this that were blank. This is also from my birthday challenge many moons ago when I was turning 46. I don't know, random birthday number, but whatever. So yeah, I used the shaker from her. You might as well use it, right, in the stash. So I didn't have to create the shaker. I only created 1 shaker from myself, and that was with the sewing machine. And I just stitched one of those page protector sheets and sealed it with the sewing machine and stitched it onto the cardstock. So that became one. So yeah, that's my layer pieces here. I popped up the layering piece like this on the base. Then I added the doily. I added my shaker, and then the frame and my tickets, the train, and then the sentiment on top. And we got all the flowers added on there. So that's another one. And then here is a third one. And again, these are flowers and bows from my stash that have been gifted to me over the years. And I added many layers. I love this one. I think this is the last of the glittered bow flowers that was created by Maria Scrapbook Nut. That was gifted for my birthday challenge. And the suitcase is from the ephemera. The today is from the ephemera. There's that shaker from Elizabeth. It's under there. You cannot see it at all. It's like I barely see it there. I added a heart doily from my stash. There's another ticket from the ephemera kit, and I think that one came out really nice. So that's number 3. And then the last one, there's a few layers in here. We've got my layering piece that I cut out, my doily, and then we have the shaker again from Elizabeth. And I added another piece on top, which is an ephemera piece. It's a vellum from the ephemera kit, from this one. And I added the airplane on top. And down here, we have all the little pieces of ephemeras. We got a ticket, we've got a tag, we got a stack of suitcase, and we have a little banner that says beautiful. And then again, flowers from my stash. And then a layering piece, again, the flower from the ephemera kit. So yeah, I used a lot of my ephemera pieces in here, but there's still a lot more. As much as I use, there's still plenty more. So there we go. We have lovely, today, together, and beautiful. Yeah, so all I have to do now is get a ribbon and attach it to my banner, and I have to add my information on the back and then send this part. Actually, there's more requirements I have to work on. A chunky dangle or bead dangle, a pokey tool or a bead pen. Just package them all nice and neat, and then, you know, send your swaps in. So I just got to work on my bead part of this swap, and I hope my recipient, whoever receives this, enjoys this collection. I know this is my first time using it, and I love it. I looked at it for many years and was like, I don't know what I'm going to use that for. And now I do. This is it. I'm going to create the ribbon for that. Okay, so I have an add-on to this video. I just wanted to show you the completed banner. So this is what it looks like. I'm using 2 colors of ribbon. It's a pink and a blue. And so yeah, I strung it on, and I used straws on the back. So I literally just hot glued the straws on there and strung my ribbon through the straws. I also added just a few small touches to each of them. I added 2 of the stickers here from the sticker book for the collection for Round Trip. So I used some of the stickers from there, and I added these 2 stickers using some glitter foam. On this one, I added a sticker here on the edge of the Polaroid. It just says favorite moment. And then the last one I have, or the first one, I added a bicycle sticker, and it's one of those vellum stickers from the sticker book again. So it's from here. So yeah, I just wanted to add little touches to this, but also to share my Memdex card. So I had 2 more of the ticket backgrounds that I print and cut with my Cricut Design Space. And I added all ephemera. I added some lace, not lace, some doily in the background. And these are all, everything is popped up on foam. So everything is, you know, layered on. The little cloud here, I created myself. I just drew a shape of a cloud that I wanted. And I put the plane on there, put some travel and some suitcases behind it. Also have an ephemera piece again from the collection, Transport Services. And then I got a rosette from my stash. This was gifted to me. I can't remember who. Added some stickers on top of the rosette. This is a sticker. There's this little star burst sticker here. And then another sticker, one of those location points. I don't know what they're called. But I got that layered up. I added another ticket here. It's an ephemera piece again. Another transportation bus, you know, from the airport. You know, those little, I don't know what they're called, trams, I guess. And then I added another sticker on top of that. It says, love this. Added this sticker, travel here. And then when you turn it over, because you're supposed to add your information on the back, I did not put it on the back. I made this into a pocket. So the front is the piece that is pink, and then here's the blue. They're both tickets. So I just backed them to each other, created a side pocket, added my sticker here on the back, you know, right, the holographic sticker, printable sticker. That's what I made for myself. So, and then I just used one of the ephemera pieces. It's a postcard, and I wrote down some fun facts that they asked for. Favorite candies, favorite colors, and favorite hobbies, I guess. And then my date of birth, or my birthday. This is another sticker from the sticker book. Here's the other 2 stickers again from the sticker book. And then I just added some detailing with my marker, wrote it around here, and my little note for whoever receives my swap. So it goes in here. I did punch a half circle punch here, thumbnail or thumb notch, so they know that something is in there and they gotta pull it out. Okay, so there is my so far. The other projects that I need to create are all with beads, so I'm glad I got this taken care of. Now I can concentrate on the other part, which are the beads, beadable pokey tool or pen, and a chunky dangle. So yep, got to get busy with the beads again. So that's it, guys, for real now. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye. Anyway, thank you all for joining. To all my returning subbies, I thank you so much for supporting my little YouTube channel. And for those of you who are new here, welcome. Join our Crafty family and hit the subscribe button. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video. or go live here on my channel. So thanks again for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.